Hi, I'm Clint Jukkala, Dean at the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts. Congratulations to our graduating class of 2020. Our faculty, staff, and alumni are proud of your accomplishments, and we're wishing you the best as you continue on your artistic journey. Congratulations!
3.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Yay!
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Enjoy your summer and congratulations. You did it.
Hey PAFA kids, this is Doron Langberg in my studio in New York. I just want to wish you a huge congratulations on graduating. Yay, class of 2020.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. This was a really tough semester, but everybody pulled together, and I think everybody came through really well.
So congratulations to you all. I look forward to seeing what you do, and of course I look forward to us getting to see each other in person again, hopefully sooner rather than later.
Hello, graduating students. Congratulations.
And I just want to congratulate each and every one of you on completing your studies.
Ron Weifels here, wishing the graduating class of 2020 congratulations.
Congratulations. I wish you all the very best.
Congratulations again, and I'm so proud of you. Sending you much love. Woo! Go class of 2020.
I'm Bo Bartlett, and I want to wish the graduating class from the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts for 2020 a hearty congratulations. You guys did it. So get out there, make some great work. The world needs it, now more than ever. Congratulations. Love and light, y'all.
Woohoo! Congrats to the class of 2020. I'm so proud of all of you. You are all so resilient for making it through and making your work.
Always remember who you are. You're wonderful, kind, smart people who have great gifts as artists.
Congratulations again, class of 2020. I'm very proud and very excited to see what comes next.
I'd like to congratulate the class of 2020 for their many achievements throughout their 4 years at the Pennsylvania Academy of Fine Arts.
And I'm here to congratulate you, the class of 2020.
I wish all of you the very best in the future.
I wanted to tell you how proud I am of your creativity, your achievements, your accomplishments, your artistic skills, and your talent.
Your class has faced unique challenges, and so your accomplishments, gifts, and future promise are all the more impressive. For now, congratulations and all the best.
So please take the time to enjoy and celebrate your accomplishments, and thank you for everything that you've done for PAFA.
Hi. Congratulations to the graduating class of 2020. It was an honor and a privilege to get to know you, and I look forward to seeing how your artistic practices develop over time.
Great things are coming. We will look forward to seeing you and celebrating you in the future.
I wish you the best of luck in all of your adventures in life in the art world after graduation.
You guys are the next generation that's going to go out there and do it. And I can't wait to see what you're going to do next. Take care, guys.
Have a fantastic summer, and I hope this is the beginning of something really awesome for you.
I congratulate you heartily on the completion of your diploma, and I look forward to the next steps in your creative life.
You're an inspiration to us all. You're the present and future of art. Never stop celebrating life. Never stop being observers. And of course, never stop making art. All the best to you.
So congratulations, my friends. And I really look forward to seeing you again soon. My love to you.
So don't rush it. Keep perspective and prioritize keeping yourself and those around you safe. Congratulations.
Graduating class 2020. Keep up the good work. Keep working. Congratulations.